Hello, and thank you for taking the time to see what Loyal and Save can offer your business. I will be walking you through our presentation, and then my partner will take you through the back-end management called Control Center. Control Center is where you will configure your settings and customize your campaigns. We will take you on a tour of the Loyal and Save app and website. Offering customers loyalty incentives is a growing trend in all industries and is becoming essential to help companies acquire and retain customers, as well as set yourselves apart from the competition. Loyal and Save is a shared platform with a mission to drive customer retention through easy-to-use tools and strategic guidance that delivers results and builds loyal customers for life. By utilizing Loyal and Save, you will be able to reward your customers with tokens on the purchases that fit the needs of your business. You will have the ability to send push notifications to your customers, as well as create email campaigns and promotional campaigns. An email campaign will be used to solely provide information to your customers. If you have a special event going on at your store or would like to educate your customers on a new product that you're launching, an email campaign will be ideal to use. Through the promotional campaigns, you will be able to offer your customers rewards for specific purchases and have the ability to whitelist and blacklist any item in your price book. Loyal and Save offers an app that you can download in the Apple and Google Play Store and has a mobile-friendly website so that your customers can choose how they want to access their rewards. The app and website will also store all of your customers' digital receipts and their token information that they earned on each purchase. Your customers will also be able to view any campaigns that you are running in your stores. In addition, we offer a swag shop where you will have the ability to add products that you want to offer your customers as a way to redeem their earned tokens. Loyal and Save currently has over 700,000 members, and our customers have earned over 500 million tokens through all of the retailers that offer Loyal and Save. We are in over 450 locations nationwide with over 300 employees participating in our employee incentive program. This is a view of our control center. It is very easy to navigate and is where you will create the different types of campaigns that you want to send to your customers, as well as offer personalized in-store deals. If you are running an age-restricted business and use age verification technology, it will make it even easier to sign up your customers in a timely fashion. Once you scan your customer's ID, you have most of their information already populated for the cashiers that's ringing them up. All your cashier will have to do is put in their email and/or phone number. This will leave minimal room for error when acquiring your customers' information and making it easier and faster for your store associates to get to the next customer. Another great thing about getting all the information from the ID is that you can then use those demographics to target your customers with specific campaigns. You will be able to target them based on gender, age, birthday, and location. Another option that you will be able to take advantage of and customize in the Control Center is the ability to incentivize your cash-paying customers. In the settings, you will have the ability for cash-paying customers to earn more rewards than those paying with credit cards. In Control Center, you will have the ability to whitelist and blacklist any products in your store that you want your customers to earn or not earn rewards on. We recommend blacklisting products that have very low margins. Loyalty customers will be able to redeem tokens in two different ways: by redeeming the products in the swag shop or allowing them to take a dollar amount off at the register during a purchase. 1,000 tokens is equivalent to $1. So if you have a customer that has earned 2,000 tokens, you can allow them to take $2 off at the register on their next purchase. You can also set a customized token minimum for redemption. Not only will you be able to send your customized campaigns via email and push notification, but your customers will also be able to view the digital campaigns on the app after they add your store. If you're running an age-restricted business, Your store will become viewable for customers once they are age verified and opt into loyalty at your store. Your customers will also have access to a store locator, so if you have multiple locations, it will make them aware of your other stores that they can earn rewards from. Your customers will also have access to the swag shop and any of the 21+ offers you have going on in your store if you are participating in Altria's digital trade program. Another cool feature that is included is the ability for your customers to rate your company or store, as well as leave feedback. This information will not be public to other users, but you will be able to access their feedback in Control Center so that you can see how they felt about their experience. Generate brand awareness with the Swag Shop and entice your customers to earn more rewards. The Swag Shop allows you to add any merchandise that you'd like. It is easy to set up with drag and drop tools to upload the photo of the merchandise you would like to add. With this feature, you'll be able to customize how many tokens you would like your customer to redeem it for and add any information that you want your customer to see about the product. You will also have the option to choose if you would like the product to be shipped to your customer or if you want them to only be able to pick up in store. We recommend in-store pickup to get your customers back in the store and to create buzz when the customer comes to pick up the item that they redeemed from the Swag Shop. It's a great way for word-of-mouth advertising of the loyalty incentives. Loyal & Save is also going to offer you a plethora of reporting to help maximize on the campaigns that you're running. You will be able to run reports to see what campaigns are successful versus campaigns that were not, or locations that were successful versus locations that are not. You will also be able to run employee reports where you can see who is signing up customers and who is educating customers on the campaigns going on. By using the data that you get from the reports, you can pair the store managers that are excelling with your store managers that have areas of opportunity to help the under-average stores perform better. You can also do the same with your store employees. Reporting is essential to help measure their results as well as increase productivity. Team building is one of the most amazing features that Loyal & Save offers and is completely customizable to your business. This is a feature that is used at our sister company stores, Smoker's Choice. It allows our employees to take advantage of our loyalty program and to encourage them to talk about it with their customers. Team building can have up to 5 tiers. We allow our district managers to sign up our store managers to sign up our store employees, and our store employees to sign up our customers. Then, when customers make a purchase and earn tokens, the sales associate that signed them up can earn 50% of the tokens that the customer making the purchase has earned. And then we allow the store managers that signed up the store associates to earn 25% and allow the district managers who signed up the store managers to earn 15%. These percentages are completely customizable to fit the needs of your business. There is also an option for a 50-50 split amongst the cashier ringing the customer up and the cashier who signed them up, because we are aware that a customer will not always be rung up by the same associate if they visit your store frequently. Our clients with fewer locations prefer 2 tiers, where just the associates signing up customers can earn. We also have some of our clients that allow customers to build teams with their friends and family. This is the perfect word-of-mouth advertisement for your program. And it also allows your employees to have a little bit of control over giving themselves a raise based on increased productivity. It allows the employees that are talking about all the campaigns going on and upselling products to your customers to get a little piece of the pie. Team building encourages your associates to give excellent service since they can see an increase in incentives for themselves based on an increase in productivity from them. You can allow your associates the ability to redeem their tokens earned in the swag store, transaction, or even offer them a 50% payout on their weekly paycheck if you would like. We are always working on adding new features to Loyal & Save to make it even more robust than it already is. Our current up-and-coming features are integrating Loyal and Save with FTX Retail Suite e-commerce solution. This will allow our customers that shop online to be able to receive tokens for their online purchases. We just recently launched a monthly statement that goes out in the beginning of the month to all of our Loyal and Save customers that shows how much they earned in tokens from the previous month and what they can redeem. We are working on gamification of the employee incentive program / team building to be able to reward your employees based on certain criteria, such as perfect attendance, consecutive signups, etc. If you sell age-restricted products, we are in the final stages of meeting Altria's Tier 3 requirements. This will help you gain a competitive edge with manufacturer discounts and buy-downs and earn additional incentives exclusive for Tier 3. Now, let's take a tour through the Control Center app and website.
Hi, my name is Trish, and I'm going to walk you through Control Center. This is an inside look into one of our clients' admin accounts, Smoker's Choice, and what you're looking at right now is their loyalty dashboard. This is just a quick snapshot of some important information that you can check in on throughout the day and see live updates. First, we see our loyalty customer statistics. Currently, Smoker's Choice has just under 66,000 Loyal and Save customers participating in their program. They have 10 active campaigns running, a total of 65 active locations. This number is slightly skewed as they do have some testing sites set up in their system. Next, we'll see the current balance reward tokens, and you can basically attribute this to what's sitting in their customers' bank accounts as far as their tokens are concerned. So, whether they're saving up to redeem them for something special in the swag shop or redemption at the register, this is what that number reflects. Moving on, we see their customer registration right now. You can see that it's tallied by day, but you also have the option to change it here by month. We also show campaign completions per month, and this does not reflect all campaigns. These only reflect the campaigns that are either goal-based or punch card system type campaigns. We show the reward tokens given by month, the average reward tokens per customer, total sales with reward tokens or without reward tokens. You can see here, the green line is without tokens, the red line is with, and the blue line is a combination of the two. We also show the money spent by customers by month and earned versus spent dollar balance for your customers. User signups under teams and team reward tokens. And you can see here all of the different levels that we show the data for the team reward tokens. So that's just a quick look at the loyalty dashboard. We do also have other dashboard options, admin dashboard, manufacturer, swag shop, etc. So there are multiple different views that you can have here. Now, going over here to the menu, we're going to click on loyalty and you can see all of the different options under the loyalty tab. We have campaigns, manufacturer section, customer cards for Loyal and Save, swag shop, blog management, app feedback, newsfeed entries, white papers, email campaigns, and challenges. Some of these are for admin users only, and challenges isn't live yet. It's a new feature that we are working on and will be coming soon. Let's take a quick look at campaigns. This is where you'll be able to set up all of the promotions that you want to offer, and you have a few different ways to filter through these. You can either filter by item, trigger and reward type, whether the campaign is active or not, or when it was created and updated. I'm just going to click on the created filter so we can take a look at the most recent campaigns. They do have some scheduled to start in August, as you can see here, so those are not currently active. But if I scroll down, you can see the green check marks for the campaigns that are currently active. So what I'll do here is just walk you through a campaign that's already set up, and then I will go back and show you one that's blank so I can show you all of the different trigger types and reward types. We'll start with the Details tab. The name field is where you enter the name of your campaign, and this is exactly what your customer is going to see either on the website or on the app. You want to be very precise with what you put here. And same thing goes for the description. This is where you can enter all the details for the campaign, and this is what the customer is going to see on their end. You have the ability to turn the campaign on or off using this active switch here. And then we have the percentage field, and this is the value that the customer will earn from the purchase that they make. The purchase multiplier is used to give the customer bonus rewards. The balance type field is used to categorize the tokens. The age restricted field is used if the consumer will need to be age verified. You also have the ability to override team levels. Now, your team levels are set up in your client settings when your account is first created, but you can override them for each individual campaign here. If we turn this on to yes, you can see all of the different levels that we have set up here, and you could just slide this to whatever percentage you want to override those levels. Moving on to the Schedules tab, we have the campaign start date and end date, and these are really simple to fill out. You just click on the fields and then you have the drop-down menu for the month and the year, and you just select the date that you want the campaign to start on and click done. And the same thing goes for the end date as well. We also offer an option for daily schedules. If you want to have campaigns running a certain date or time, if you have slow periods in the store and you want to try to boost sales, this is a great way to do that. And if you just turn this on to yes, you can enter which days you want to be active or inactive. And you just enter the time that you want it to start and the time that you want it to stop. Moving on to the Options tab, here we have our cash multiplier and our non-cash multiplier. And as Callie mentioned in her demonstration, Smoker's Choice likes to reward their cash-paying customers just a little bit more. They have the cash multiplier set to 1 and the non-cash multiplier set to 0.50. We also offer the option to require registration for campaigns. The campaign image is entered here as well, and it's just as simple as once the image is created by your marketing team or your art department, just downloading the file to your PC, clicking on the File tab, and uploading. We do have width and height specifications, and those are listed here in the description under the field. You can also make this campaign single use or not. So if I turn this on to yes, you have options for how you want this campaign to be used. It can be single use overall, and that would limit the earnings to 1 use. It could be per day, week, month, year, etc. If you're working with a budget, you can set a dollar limit. If we turn this to on, you have the option to enter the amount here and then can stop either at the max cap, exclude if under minimum, or exclude if over maximum. We can also turn on or off the ability to allow cash tender and allow non-cash tender. The Marketing tab is where things can get a little bit more interesting. So the first section is Manage Interest. Now, when your customers are setting up their accounts with Loyal and Save, either online or via the app, they have a section to manage their interests. So if we set this to custom and then click on Manage, they're going to see all of these interest options when they're signing up for the program, and they'll select what interests them. So if you wanted to target specific areas, you can do that here. You can also filter by gender, currently male and female only per New York State, or whatever state license options you have. You can assign by locations if you have multiple locations. This is really handy if you want to target specific stores. So we'll just click on Custom and then Manage, and then you can choose whichever stores you want. Now, if you have quite a few stores like Smoker's Choice does, you can set up location groups to make it even a little bit more easier. You can also filter out by age. It can either be all ages or by a specific age, and you would just enter the number here. Or for an age range, you would enter the minimum age in this field and the maximum age in this field. We also offer the ability to disable email notifications. So maybe you have already sent out a few emails to your customers this week, and you know that this campaign is scheduled to start as well, but you don't want to flood their inbox. If this feature is turned on, the campaign will be visible on the website and through the application. If you have stores in multiple states, you can assign by state. You choose the list from the drop-down menu here, and you can add as many as you want. Same thing goes for city or zip code. Manage campaign filters. This area is used to determine which products are going to be included or excluded in this promotion. And we have a few different options and filters for you to do that. You can filter out by item, whitelist, or blacklist. Whitelist is for items that you want to include. Blacklist is for items that you want to exclude. You can also filter by department, category, manufacturer, brand, or tags. You can see here that they have a department whitelist set up for this campaign. You can also set up requirements here to either require your customers to participate in this campaign by completing another campaign first. And when you change the selection of the radio buttons here, it gives you the description of what that entails. You can exclude specific campaigns or earnings for your customers when they participate in this campaign. So that's just a quick look at what a setup campaign looks like. Now I'm going to click this Add New button to show you what an empty campaign looks like. And this is basically just to show you the different trigger types and reward types that we offer currently with Loyal and Save. You can see we have 3 different trigger types. We'll start with open-ended, and it gives you a brief description under each one what it means. For open-ended, customers can continually earn tokens while this campaign is active. After selecting the trigger type, you move on to the reward type, and you have 3 different options here too. And we'll go through these one by one. Percent of dollar value in tokens. This provides a percentage based on the total amount spent by the customers. Static tokens means a set number of tokens will be given for the product that is purchased. Lastly, tokens per dollar value in tokens. This provides a static point to each dollar value of the item value. Moving on to the next trigger type, we have points earned, and this is the goal-based campaign, like the punch card campaigns of when loyalty first started. And that means after a set number of items have been purchased, the customer will receive their reward. For the reward types for these, we have a few different options as well. Options are coupon, static tokens, or token per dollar value coupon. For a coupon, everything is basically the same as the tabs that we went over in the completed campaign, except for the coupon tab. This is where you can create the coupon that you want your customers to receive after they complete the campaign. So you just enter the name here in this field. Then you have an option of 3 different items, either a dollar amount off, a free item, or a percentage off. And moving further down, you can enter the information that you want to appear in the header lines and the text lines for this coupon, as well as the expiration date. It can never expire, have a static date, or a certain amount of days after issue. Next would be the static tokens under points earned. And again, this is a set number of points or tokens for a given product. And finally, the tokens per dollar value coupon. The tokens will be rewarded as part of a coupon, but the tokens will be assigned per number of dollars spent. The last trigger type option is the auto trigger campaigns, and we have a few different options for these as well. So we have birthday coupon or birthday tokens. Every year on the customer's birthday after they sign up, you can either award them a coupon on their birthday or a set number of tokens. We have the We Miss You coupon and tokens as well. And this is if your customer hasn't been shopping in your store recently and you want to entice them to come back. You can either give them a coupon or a set number of tokens for doing so. We also have the option for sign-ups. So if you wanted to issue coupons or a static number of tokens when a new customer signs up for the program, you can do that as well. Same concept for visit and their anniversaries. What I want to show you next is some of our reporting options. And we have a report set up already, which is our campaign performance report. And this is the monthly campaign earnings overall. You can see it's a 12-month rolling report. This will list every campaign that you've done with your program. You can see here that they have done some long-time running campaigns like their vape club and 2 times the reward tokens when you pay with cash. Like we mentioned earlier, they like to reward their cash-paying customers a little bit more. You can also see some campaigns have 0 amounts here in the fields. They existed before the 12 months that are currently shown. It's a great report to get a quick look into how everything is performing. Some other different campaign options we offer for reporting are campaign activity detail or summary reports. You can look at the earnings, the sales, a list of your campaigns, the progress of your goal-based campaigns, sign-ups that have occurred from campaigns, reward tokens earned by location, and you can also take a look at your triggered campaign list. Now, the other great thing about our reporting system is you have the ability to print or export your reports as a PDF, CSV file, or Excel, and you can also schedule these reports as well. So if you want to run specific reports on a weekly, bi-weekly, or monthly basis, you can schedule these out and they'll just automatically get emailed to you or any other user that you want to enter into the scheduling system. We also offer campaign reports, item reports, customer reports, employee reports, asset reports, and store reports. We can take a quick look at the customer reports here, just to give you a look at what we can offer as far as reporting on your customers goes. We can see whether they've been active or inactive, their overall activity, what their balance is as far as their tokens or points, or their enrollments. You can see how many customers have enrolled in your program with the information report. You can export this information report and send out an email if you're using another provider like MailChimp or Mailgun. We also have a manual balance change report, customer purchase frequency report. You can see all the different types of reports we offer. Moving on to the swag shop. If you wanted to participate in this portion of the loyalty program, this is where you would set up the items, categories, and groups for your swag shop. It's also where you'll see your shop purchases. So just to give you a quick look at what it looks like to set up an item, you can see Smoker's Choice has about 160 items available in their swag shop for their customers. Let's just take a quick look at the Amazon Echo. It's a very simple process and similar to creating a campaign in that you need to fill out all of the different fields: item name, category, tags, point value, age-restricted topic, short description, and product description. Moving on to the Attributes tab, if you have one product that comes in multiple colors like this does, you don't have to enter them individually. You can do it all under one product name. On the Options tab, you can change how many times it can be redeemed either per day or per purchase. If you want it to be a featured product, it will appear at the top of the list of products on the user swag shop page. If it has an age limit, if it expires, this lets the customers know that this product is going to be leaving the swag shop soon. It will put a nice little banner over the product saying this product will expire in X number of hours, days, weeks, or months. Also, the shipping types. Smoker's Choice likes to have their customers pick up their redemptions in store, but if you want, you can allow shipping. What I'm going to show you now is a quick look at the Loyal and Save website. This is the dashboard, and as you can see, we have our leaderboard, which shows the top 100 users and how many tokens they have. You have a quick link to your stores and manufacturers, any deals that are going on, coupons, notifications, friend requests, and team requests. A quick look at some of the items that are in the swag shop. We can show you what a store looks like on the website. And again, we'll open up Smoker's Choice. This gives you all the information for this particular store. It shows what deals are currently going on in the store, if there are any coupons associated with any of those deals, whether you have your team members signed up, any balances that you have. You can look at your QR code, and this is where you can have a friend or a family member scan your QR code and sign up under your team. Or this is something that you can present at the store to have your loyalty account linked with the sale at the register. You can also look at reviews, write reviews, and the 21 plus offers. The mobile coupons are only viewable on mobile devices, so you cannot see them here on the website. What I'm going to do now is show you a live look at the app. This is a quick look at our application, and you can download this in the Google Play Store or the Apple Store.
Joining Loyal and Save is fast, fun, free, and easy. Customers start by downloading the Loyal and Save app or visiting customer.loyalandsave.com. To create a new account, they select Sign Up and enter their information to get started. If they created an account in store, they can complete their account registration by selecting Complete Account Registration and entering either their driver's license number, email, or phone number. If they have an existing Loyal and Save account, they simply click Sign In. On the login screen, they can enter their email and password and click Sign In. Note that Loyal and Save uses the FTX Core login system. From the Loyal and Save dashboard, customers can view new and exciting deals and much more. At the top here, they can click on My Reward Tokens to take a look at the token reward balances they have with you and other stores and manufacturers. By clicking the search icon, they can search for any store, manufacturer, or reward they are looking for. Customers click My Profile in the top right to view their age and identity verification badges. Age verification is accomplished by getting their license scanned with one of our participating retailers' store locations. After they are age verified, EAIV identity verification is available in our app with participating Altria Tier 3 retailers. Customers can also see their friends and view and edit their profile on this page, or by clicking Manage Your FTX Core Account. FTX Core is a unified login system used by customers across all FTX solutions. At the top here, users have icons that allow you to find and add a friend, store, or manufacturer. They can also scan a barcode to join a store or a team, or to link their loyalty card. Customers can also open their QR code to present to a cashier at the time of purchase as an easy way to pull up their rewards account. My Stores is an easy way to view the stores users have added to their account. Note that users will only see age-restricted stores if they are age-verified. Users can select a store to view the store's page. From here, they can view the team they have built in your store, the deals, otherwise known as campaigns, you are offering, which are configured from Control Center, and additional offers from Altria if they are age-verified or EAIV verified and you are an Altria participating retailer. Users can also visit your swag shop from here. Browse store locations near them, pull up their QR code to add team members or to use in store, and leave a review to share their in-store experience. You can see this review and approve it in Control Center. Purchase online will be coming soon. My Deals displays featured special offers. By clicking on CR Deals, users can view all the deals and the coupons that are available to them from your store. Users can view and add manufacturers by clicking on this box. Users are only able to add a manufacturer and participate in their deals once the user has made at least one purchase with that manufacturer with any of our participating retailers. The leaderboard is a fun way to see how user token earnings stack up against all other members across Loyal & Save. The Messages feature allows users and their friends to chat with one another. The Swag Shop is an online marketplace where user tokens can earn them some awesome rewards. Users select the store whose swag shop they would like to shop in. The Swag Shop is fully configurable by retailers from Control Center. Note, tokens can only be spent in the Swag Shop of the retailer with whom they were earned. In the Swag Shop, users can view all the products the retailer has listed. They can redeem tokens for any Swag Shop product, and they can even send gifts to their friends from the Swag Shop by selecting the gift option. Notifications is where users will see alerts about and view new deals that retailers have added, along with friend requests, recent purchases, and more. Finally, by clicking on More in the bottom right corner, users can view all their friend requests, their past completed deals, receipts from past in-store purchases, shipping addresses, and their loyalty card. By clicking Help, users can view our helpful app tutorial. Users can leave app feedback by clicking Feedback. By clicking Settings, users can configure their user settings, store settings, see and edit blocked users, configure device settings, and delete their account. The Loyal & Save app is available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store. Try it for yourself and download the app today.